In this video, we are given the same question as in the previous video, where we are asked to write a program in 8085 to load two values from memory location 3000H and 3001H, add them and store the sum in 2001H and carry in 2000H if carry occurs. So for this particular video, we are going to do this using SHLD and LHLD approaches. SHLD and LHLD code. So the pseudocode for this is going to be, we are going to load 3000H and 3001H values to L and H registers respectively using LHLD. So this is going to be step number 1. In step number 2, I'm going to move any one of the values in H or L to accumulator. So move accumulator, we can use any one of these values. So move L to accumulator. Then we perform add accumulator plus H. The sum is going to be stored in accumulator itself. Then we check our carry. So if carry occurs, let me write down in this way. So if carry occurs, we are going to move our sum. We're going to move sum or accumulator value to register L, and then we will move 01H to let me do it in a bit different way. So load 01H to register H and then store both using SHLD. Now if carry does not occur, else, so if carry does not occur, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move sum or accumulator to L, load 00H to register H, and then store both using SHLD. Okay, so this is going to be my complete approach. If you remember SHLD and LHLD instruction, we know that we can directly transfer 16-bit values from processor to memory or memory to processor using these two instructions. So we'll use the same approach here. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to load these two values in register H and L. So LHLD 3000H is going to load both the values of 3000H as well as 3001H. So the value from 3000H is going to go to register L, and then the value of 3001H will go to register H. Now we can move either of these values to accumulator. I've chosen the value of L to be moved to accumulator. Then I'm going to add H. Now if carry occurs, we'll do something, but if carry does not occur, meaning the part below here, if the carry does not occur, what we're going to do is we're going to move our sum to L. So move sum to L, and then we'll load 00H in register H, and then we are going to do SHLD. Where should the result be stored? So it should be stored in 2000 2001H, right? So 2000H, meaning what this does is the value of L will go to 2000H, and then the value of H will go to 2001. So I think we've just, okay, so I'll just edit the question here because this might not be correct. So we store the sum in 2000H. Sorry, I think so the sum will go to 2000H, yes, and then the carry will go to 2001H. Okay, so I've edited the question a little bit. The carry should be stored in 2001H. and then terminate the program. But if carry occurs, then the program will jump here. What I'm going to do is do the same thing, move A to L, load 01H to register H in the form of carry, and then I'm going to do SHLD 2000H and then terminate the program. So this is how we can solve the same program using LHLD and SHLD too. Whichever approach you do, either you use LDA or STA or SHLD or LHLD is the correct approach. You can do it using any approach you find convenient.